Wendell.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Okay. I would like to ask this question.
Sure.
If I have a sister here, and my sister, I was a bit on the government where you get a little card because my husband was working for a couple of months,
You got food stamps or
and if I
Medicaid, right?
where you get like some
Right,
foods
right,
and
right, right.
stuff
Okay,
from
all
the
right, okay,
place,
okay. So what's your
social
question?
security. Yeah. If I want to file for my sister, could my husband be, he's not working now,
Yeah, don't worry, don't
so
worry.
could he
Yeah,
be,
don't worry about that. File for your sister because she's not going to get a visa appointment for years and years and years from now. And as long as you're off government assistance by then, and I'm sure you will be years from now. Don't worry about whether you're accepting government assistance now if you
but
don't
the
file for your
law
sister.
is cutting out where you file for your sister, so
So do it.
I'm
It
wondering.
hasn't happened yet, so file for her. But your government
But she
assistance,
has a visa also, she has a visa
I understand that,
also.
so she can come back and forth, but just tell her not to overstay. Put an application for her. Do not worry 1 minute about government assistance now, because you worry about that
What
years
if
down the
she's
line.
already here and overstayed?
Then she should find another way other than through you, because it's going to take a long time.
Oh,
So, and
okay.
I think what she should do is make an appointment to come and see me. Maurice,
Hey, Brad,
hey,
how
what's
are you?
up?
Hey, nothing much. How you go about fiancé visa?
First you got to fall in love. You in love?
Yeah.
No, I'm only kidding with you. You file an I-129 application. I-129F actually. That's the fiance visa application. You have to show you've actually been in a relationship. You're in love with this woman. You've met her multiple times. That you're in a relationship with her. You file it with proof that you're in a relationship with her, and it takes about 6 to 9 months. You'll give her an affidavit of support towards the end. She'll go in for a visa appointment. She's going to come up to the United States of America. When she comes up to the United States of America, you got to marry her within 90 days. As long as you marry her within 90 days, you can file an adjustment application for her. She'll get a green card within a matter of weeks. If you don't marry her within 90 days, this is the most important thing. You don't marry her within 90 days, she's screwed. She can never get a green card.
Okay.
All right? So it'll take about 6 to 9 months. She'll be up here, and then you get married to her, and then she'll get a green card several weeks later. They do it pretty fast for fiancés.
Next question.
Yes.
I didn't know the problem before, and my green card expired,
Mm-hmm.
and I wanted to renew it, but I don't know what.
Okay, well, let's talk about. I just want to talk about your fiance visa first. I assumed you were a citizen. As a green card holder, you can't.
No.
Okay, as a green card holder, you can't.
As
As a green card holder, you can't. You can't do a fiance visa as a green card holder. You can only.
No, it's one of my friends.
Oh, that was a different story. Okay, so now your green card expired. Okay, all right. So you're green. So when I'm asking you if you're in love, why are you saying yes? You should have said it was for my friend. Okay, so so your green card expired, and you ran into a problem with the law. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to share that with what the problem was, or you don't like to share that?
I don't, yeah.
Okay, so what's the problem with the law? Tell me what your problem is, and then I'll tell you what to do.
Yeah, I was in one of my buddy car, and he got some odd stuff in the car, and everybody get arrested.
Were you found guilty of anything?
Then told me pay a fine and stay out of trouble for 6 months, and the case was dismissed, but it's still showing my record.
Was it AC-D'd?
Yeah.
Well, if it's AC-D'd, the case was dismissed. This is what you should do. Is that the only time you've ever been arrested, Marlon?
No, and the next time the same thing happened again. And I say I bailed myself out, and the case, that's it. I never went back to court, and that's it.
You never went back to court because you skipped out on court, or they just said case dismissed?
No, just, yeah, that's it.
All right, This is what I think you should do, okay? Number one, if you're eligible for citizenship, rather than renew your green card, just become a citizen so you don't have to deal with immigration ever again and have this anxiety. But before we even do that, make an appointment to come see me so I can, and bring your 2 dispositions, bring your expired green card, and I'll tell you, one, if it doesn't sound like you have any convictions, and if you don't have any convictions, then based on what you're telling me, then just file your citizenship and let's get this thing over with. If you have convictions, then we'll take a look at the.
I go on probation like 2 times, yeah, assault.
Okay, so you have a whole bunch of things. This is what you need. You need to
Yeah.
bring in your dispositions for everything, and let's take a look at it and see what we do with you. Okay, with the idea that we ultimately want to make you a citizen, so if you do get in trouble in the future, you don't have any problems.
Okay.
Melvin. Melvin.
Hello?
Yes, Melvin.
Yes, Brad.
Yes, what's
Yes,
up?
Brad. Good afternoon.
Yes.
Yes, I have a question for you, Brad. My friend, I'm a green card holder.
Right.
My friend came from Jamaica, right? But she overstayed. So I want to know if I could adjust our status here instead of she go back to Jamaica.
Well, if you marry her, if she's overstayed, you would have to become a citizen for her to adjust her status here.
Yeah, we're married here. We're married.
I know, but you would have to become a citizen for her to adjust status here. As a green card holder, she would have to go home, but before she goes home, she would have to do a provisional waiver.
Oh, before she go home.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Brad. All right. Thanks.
All right. Thank you.